Why online data maintenance is very important? As we all know, the past and existing data in every organization is very important to sustain for years to come. Generally, most of the times we hear the word data, but most of the times people do not understand more about data and its importance of structured data maintenance in day-to-day lifeline of the organization. The best thing to learn from today's online business model is utmost importance given to data, data analysis, business analysis at every level of decision making. Throughout the past few years, we have been closely working with data driven startups and we analyze their money making strategies through their perpetual business models. Importance of data maintenance is very helpful in sales management. Focus on your sales activities till date and make standard structure of the leads close till date. Cold calling done and ratio of conversion. This practice of data maintenance will guide your sales efforts towards more accurate sales figures, and in return this will guide you to focus on service and product deliverables. Importance of data maintenance in inventory control. If you are dealing into business of product manufacturing or trading, then you really need to focus on inventory control. Data of your own inventory will help you to run a great business model across industry, because timely management of inventory is the only secret of success in inventory based businesses. Importance of data maintenance in admin department. Nowadays, admin department is more useful for maintaining office assets and their respective maintenance. As a result, asset management becomes very important for branch-based or franchisee-based business models. The importance of data maintenance in accounts and finance. It is not new that every business needs its own financial track where they use the accounting-based software tools. It really helps a lot for companies to track their financial performance and take realistic decisions in business. It also helps in forecasting of money, finance and expenditures. Importance of data maintenance in human resource. Human resource is one of the widely touched area of any organization after finance, where analysis in this segment has touched the sky, and new possibilities like behavior analysis and facial recognitions, etc. Importance of data maintenance in marketing. This is one of the hot section amongst corporate, as every kind of marketing research comes through previously saved data only. So importance of data is well versed in this segment from years. Even big management institutes also endorse time to time about importance of data and its future analysis. In this way, data is increasingly seen as a corporate asset that can be used to make more wise business decisions, improve marketing campaigns, decide next product launch, also decide offers and references. It also helps optimize macro and micro level business operations and reduce cost of businesses, all with the goal of increasing revenue and profits.